Shout out to Shauna to stepping up our vlogging game. This probably gonna shake a lot though.
Fucking song play can't play man.
Oh, I had auxiliary cord, you know?
Okay.
It's in my beats on your dresser. Yo, you can't drink hot soup in the hot sun, you know?
Right, like kind of like a film thing, like.
I know. I'm wondering maybe we should put it like somewhere in the middle.
I just feel good money. I like yeah, too much of work on film.
Wait. Pull up the tune! Pull up the tune! So Ziggy's singing a song for me right now.
My biggest tune is the next time. Biggest tune. So yeah, when it falls.
So I don't want to jump when you're going over the bumps.
When I'm in need of loving, I will turn to you.
We're walking in the rain. Going that way, so everything's just hitting us in our face. But yo, it's just been raining like what, for the past 2 weeks now? We get like 1 or 2 days and it's not raining. But we went to Falmouth yesterday. We had an umbrella. It didn't rain. Today we didn't walk an umbrella and now it's raining. Hold this.
Oh yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah. You hold it up.
Go somehow with. Oh, in it.
If I get sick, you're never taking care of me, right?
And
Yo,
I mean,
guys.
more if you get sick.
I've been walking so much. If I don't get some calves, by the time I go back to Canada, something's wrong. And if my booty doesn't get bigger from all this walking, you see your face? From all this walking, something's wrong.
Yeah, kind of a beat to put sick like that.
This is real yard life right here. You're not always gonna have an umbrella or a car.
See, I seen the man pre and I said from the other day. Mine just tell me say rain go catch man at the end of the walk.
Yeah, but that's okay.
And the car in the streets, I get the car last night.
I know. But the car sounds funny though. It sounds worse than before. Sound like the taxi man them car.
You mean I know him man manage. With all of them rocking
So,
up
I know,
off
it's so loud. Yo, even yesterday went to Falmouth, the car that we were in is so loud.
But my boss I say still make kind of rate time I say still like him I say yo, you know rush nothing.
Yeah.
You go and run it so till jump by him past him.
Yeah.
So,
Makes sense though. It doesn't
oh,
need to be
lean,
by
you know?
one part.
that's why I must say when you run it for somebody,
Yeah.
you not really get nothing.
Hold it.
No.
Yo, and I have shorts on. Rain on your legs does not feel nice out here. And it's humid. I'm about to say it's today's Sunday, you know, but it's not. Today's Saturday.
Eh?
No, I was about to say today's Sunday. Cause I see so much church people.
Funeral.
So my dad used to go to this school. What school is it? Everyone's selling their goods.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
My name is Rufus with Dance with Jane.
Okay. Oh yeah? The market, everyone's selling their stuff. Taxi stands. Ziggy playing camera shy, but you're trying to hide from the camera. You, my sweet boy. What?
Right. Me a tune, DJ forget money. Yo, give me a tune, no money.
Don't I'm bad DJ. I mean that. I'm bad DJ. DJ for money. Yeah.
Pull up.
People no money. People no money. People no money. Fuck up. Better fuck it.
Yo, give me one DJ forget money.
No, I
have wicked DJ.
We get money. We get money. We get money. Then post it. Why do I get on the motor? Live all the way down. Did you get money? Military income. Did you get money? Did you get money?
What you back on DJ doing?
Yeah.
What you back on DJ doing?
Don't
yeah, wickedest DJ no man. Oh.
Man. Post up now, Ghana. Listen. Ah, link up. I get on post link up. Good. Take your money, video, take your money, take your big up. Yeah, thank you. Your baby.
Yo! I man in the Rata Sparta.
You say, yeah.
Yes.
So someone brought me this sugar cane from last week. And Ziggy's just peel. You know how long I asked you to peel it for me?
Look. Yeah.
Is that one sweet? See? It's not?
Salt.
Bro? I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I know you're lying.
Ladies, it's time to get naked. Introducing Naked Nails, the electronic nail
I hate this one.
that transforms your
It
nails
tastes like
from
this.
dull and drab to shiny and beautiful in seconds. The
I don't want it.
secret is micro-smoothing technology that spins 30 times per second. Naked Nails files for the perfect salon shape, bobs to remove ridges and imperfections, and gives you a healthy-looking cut wash. Naked Nails is available at these fine retail stores.
The whole thing tastes like carrot. And that was the end of it. You're gonna eat it?
Ooh.
Yeah. Someone's car just broke down, so we're helping them. You guys can see we're pulling them. We're such good Samaritans. No, we're good. What's that what they're called? Samaritans? That word doesn't even sound right. Good citizens of the town. But we just came from this food place to go get some food. I'm about to go home and lay down. Shut up, yeah I did. Going home to lay down because my head and my throat is hurting me. I took a shower. Guys, the water is cold, okay? Yes, I'm not ashamed to say that I boil water to bathe, okay? I'm not ashamed. Ziggy does it too. I'm trying to follow people. But anyways, the other night, I jumped into the cold water and then I went to go lay down in the room because I was like, I felt hot. So I laid in front of the fan. I'm not you. So anyways, after I took the cold shower, I, like an idiot, I went to go sit in front or sleep in front of the fans, and I woke up kind of like with a sore throat. So for the past day, my throat's been hurting me. And usually when I'm out here, I don't get sick that easily. So I don't know how come this trip I'm getting sick so easily. And I have vitamins because Ziggy bought me vitamins, I think, the week after I came. So I have just a little sore throat.
Yeah, good on why you
But yeah, we're like 5 minutes away from home. I'm not sure what we're really doing today.
I am there. Every day of my life.
You know what you going on? I see somebody show you, yeah? Big up everybody.
some boy, I should have said before.
My God, step me, I'm going to go. And I can't look for rest of the chocolate for me there. So fat t-shirt, so good. Give thanks to the moment. Give thanks to the return of our something, you know what I mean? Step the one for the song, song, you know. Rev. Get a good out there.
You understand me? This is just how I was here. Fire lighter. Anisha, sir.
Yeah, Tom Cruise. Yeah, Tom Cruise. Yeah. Tom Cruise. What do you mean? Ray-Ban now. Yeah. Yo, go for the dance first. Come on, man. Yeah. Stop now. Go for the dance first.
Nisha, you don't like excitement in a crowd. Wait. Keep walking. Where? Just keep walking now, go in. Oh my god, you guys are so wicked. You guys are wicked. I didn't want to cry. When did you come? Friday. And when you going back? Friday. FUCK, you guys, you come.
We came to a funeral.
My best friend.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No, you didn't cause him spelling.
Oh my god.
When they get on girl, go for the girl. This time go for the girl. Your name is Sherry.
Somebody have mercy.
No, me can't. No, for true.
Cindy, pretty on my vlog, you know.
When?
Look how pretty she look, guys.
What's her? The man hot girl.
Vicky's so quiet.
How long does it take you to get here from
Your poor castle.
No, it's like you can't do that.
Watch the people there.
You can't make it back like this.
Hot yo, baby. Look at what Polly's doing. Ziggy.
I want to put it.
Do some. So childish. Wanna.
I'm first one more time.
Jamaica's next top model. She's going straight on YouTube. Big up Polly fan them.
Not true.
Polly, you need to say something to the people
You
then.
must come and fix it.
That look nice, Polly.
Take it. Boy.
Take your time. You stupid. You I can't fix it.
Yes. Right now tonight, you know, sir. Yes. Sky bar do it.
Sky bar.
Mad tonight.
Real
man. What are we are roll out. Yeah. This one, mama saw this one.
Overdo it.
no body, I'm not watch no face, I'm not be going to get on set.
This is what happened. This is Ziggy's mom. She's crazy. Wap, your foot number hurting you now?
Yeah. Yeah. Probably that's why they fit you.
Ziggy, no. This is why I tell you guys, Ziggy's fat on the lows. So where's the meat?
This is balance for us, so we are rolling out tonight.
What you said, Jamie?
Misha, please. I'm
So this
talking
is
to my baby.
She's
daddy.
talking to
Stop.
baby.
Yes.
This is
So what's up?
Ziggy, good up cousin.
This is what's up for
Jamie.
tonight. Dumpling and butter. Yeah. Yeah.
Your hair looks so nice.
This is poor people food.
Your hair looks nice.
Thank you. Yes, dumpling and butter. Oh, my hair. What if
How much you pay? How much you pay to do this?
4G.
4G. That's like $40 US.
We don't. Dumpling and butter. Poor people food. Yeah.
This is Debbie. This is her sister. Good up, Debbie. This hairdresser, Debbie. She's the one who did my hair, guys. When you guys were asking who did my hair, it was her.
I'm like, you know, think that's
Yo. You're so fat, babe. You're so fat.
You never eat the mess in here?
Yeah, my grandma. Like
You too lime.
my uncle them, yeah? When we lived in over there. Okay, give me one now. Give me one now. No, cut the dumpling. That's too big for my mouth. Ah! That's hot, you know?
Oh, it's me.
I'm gonna go big now. I'm gonna go big. It's hot.